So this is a brief introduction to how to use learning management system. As a student of Lautech Open and Distance Learning Center, the major means of communicating with you is the learning management system. We consider learning management system as our virtual classroom where every information is going to be passed across to you. Whether it is your quiz, your classroom activities, your assignments, your lecture notes and videos. So it is very important for you to understand how the learning management system works. Now, for you to access your learning management system, you go to LMS website of Lautech Open and Distance Learning Center, which is lms.lautech.edu.ng. So that is the web address. So you enter it, and once it logs in, so you are going to have something like this. So this is the landing page of our LMS. Now the next thing for you to do is to click on login. I believe while you are registering your course, there is a place provided for you to put in your LMS details. So when all the login information that you supply there, that is what you are going to use to log into the LMS. All right, so when the LMS page load, you are going to have the login page like this. Then you enter your details and your username here and your password here. So when I have entered my own, then I click on login. All right, you are going to have information just like this as you are seeing on my page. Now for you to access your course, you can come to this place. You see, when you click my courses, you are going to have all your courses here. So I will take you through one of the courses so that you will see how the information there is being displayed. So let's check GST 112 for example. All right, when the page finish loading, we are going to have something like this. Now the first page here is called announcement page. Now what this announcement page is for is that whenever your tutor have an information for you, is going to post that information here. So by default, you should all receive a email concerning that information. Now let me open for you so that you will see how that information is being presented. All right, so this is an example of what a forums or the announcement forum look like. Now you see this information, GST 112 study session 1. When you click on it, it's going to load that information which the tutor is trying to pass across to the students. All right, as you can see here, it says, hello students, you are welcome to GST 112 Logic and Philosophy class, and this is the introductory message to welcome the student to class. And whenever there is class information or assignment or something, so it's going to also send it here for you as well. So let's go back to the course page. All right, that is how the announcement section works. So now this CA score is actually, it will be available at the end of the semester so that you will know how well you have fared in the course of the class. So it's not necessarily available at the beginning of the class, but after the session or the semester. So then you are going to have your introduction page. This introduction page is what will introduce the course to you, the tutor, the facilitator, what is expected of you. And if you need to read more about this course, you can check the study guide here. Once you click on this page, it's going to load the study guide for you. So I have clicked on it. Let's wait and see what the study guide looks like. Now, so this is the study guide to the course. So you see something like this. Yes, you will see something like this, and you can read more to know more about the course. It will give you the recommended textbook that you are going to use for the course, how the assessment will be graded, what tutor marked assessments means, your final examination and grading, and tutorials that are made available for you. All right. Now this is for the next one is for your the classes that you will be doing. Now each of these study session, it is expected that it will run for a week. So you are going to have a study session per week. Now for this particular course, we have 4 study sessions. Now can you see? So these are the major topics that you'll be covering for this semester on this course. Now if you come to study session 1, you will see things that are available for you. The first one there is lecture notes. Then you are going to have a video lecture on that lecture note. Then you are going to have a discussion forum, a quiz to assess your understanding on that course, and you are going to have a discussion forum where you can ask questions or answer questions that are asked by the tutor in the process of facilitation or in the course of listening to the video. Now let's check it one by one. Now the lecture notes. All right. So this is what the lecture notes sites look like. So you can download it by clicking on this icon. When you click on it, it will download the material for you and you can read offline at any time. All right, let's check the other material that are under study session 1. So the other one is video lecture. So let's see how video lecture looks like. So this is a page for the video lecture. Then you click on play here. So if you click on that play
Hello students,
it's going to play
you are welcome to
video lecture.
GST 112,
So you are going to
Logic
have
and
something like
Philosophy
this as
class.
a video lecture that is
This
going
is
to,
the
you can
first
also
study session
customize the screen to
for
see more about it.
this
That is
course.
how the video lecture.
So before we begin this course, I would like to take
The next thing there is a discussion forum on study session 1. So this discussion forum is where we are going to have 1 or 2 discussions on the questions that are asked in the course of watching the video. So now see, for this particular study session, he said you can post your question on study session 1 here for discussion by clicking on reply. So what this means is that if you have any question here, you just click on reply, then you post your question. These are some of the questions that are posted by a student just like you after they have watched the video. So these are some of the questions. You also, if you have any concern, just post it and it will be attended to promptly. All right, let's check the quiz aspect now. Okay, the next one there is the quiz aspect. So when you click on quiz, it will load it. That means after you have studied the material, you have watched the video, your knowledge on the topic will be assessed. Now pay attention to the information that is being posted here. It said attempts allowed 2, which means you can try this quiz 2 times. Time limit for this quiz is 3 minutes and the grading method is highest. Recall that they say attempt allowed is 2, which means if you attempt the quiz 2 times, it's now going to check the 2 quizzes and pick the highest grade for the 2 quizzes. That is what the system is going to record for you. So that is what the system is going to record for you. So do not worry whether you are going to be marked down or not. Just make sure you check this grading method. There are some other grading method that could be set for you. If you see average grading method, what that means is that it's going to add your score in your first attempt and second attempt, then divide it by 2. That is what the system is going to record for you. So this is how you are going to navigate the LMS. And should you have any question in the process of doing your course at LAUTECH Open and Distance Learning Center, feel free to send a message to me. My email is displayed on the screen, or you can reach out to any support team to assist you in whichever area you need assistance or the other. And if you want to send a personal message, there is a message icon at the top of the screen here. You just click on the message icon, you search the name of the person that you want to send the message to here, then you send it just like you are chatting on WhatsApp. That is how the message function works. I believe you are going to enjoy every bit of seconds that you will spend at LAUTECH Open and Distance Learning Center, and I wish you the best even as you progress in your learning activity. Thank you.